Having problems trying to record your screen or even take a screenshot on your Windows laptop or MacBook? Worry less. In this video, we'll go through how to go about it easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to More Tech, your tech guide for everyday tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to screen record and take screenshots on both Windows laptops and MacBooks in just a few simple steps. Whether you're making tutorials, saving memories, or troubleshooting, I've got you covered. Let's start with Windows 10 or 11. To start recording your screen instantly, press Windows plus Shift plus R on your keyboard. The recording will begin right away. When you're done, press Windows plus Alt plus R again to stop recording. Your video will be saved in the captures folder under videos. Tip: if the shortcut doesn't work, press Windows plus G to open the game bar manually and click the record button. Now let's move to screenshots on Windows. To take a quick screenshot on Windows, press Windows plus Shift plus S. Your screen will dim slightly. Select the area you want to capture. It's automatically copied to your clipboard. Just paste it into Paint or any image editor to save, or use Print Screen, the PRTSC button on the keyboard, to capture the whole screen instantly. Okay, now let's move to how to screen record on a MacBook. Now, for Mac users, press Command plus Shift plus 5. Press Command plus Shift plus 5. You see options to record your entire screen or just the selected portion. Click Record to start. When done, click the Stop button in the menu bar. Your video will be saved automatically to your desktop. Now, how to screenshot on a MacBook. To take screenshots, press Command plus Shift plus 3. It captures the entire screen. And press Command plus Shift plus 4, which lets you drag and capture a specific area, like drawing a particular window on the screen. And then you press Command plus Shift plus 5, which also gives more capture options. Everything is neatly saved on your desktop and easy to find. And that's it. Now you know how to screen record and screenshot both Windows and Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. More quick tech tutorials are coming your way on More Tech. See you. Bye.